Do you ever find yourself in the middle of writing a song? You have the chords perfected and it's time to get started on the melody. You try again, but just can't find the perfect emotional melody. But I've been lucky enough to learn from some extremely talented songwriters, so in this video, I'm going to show you all the rhythmic and melodic tips and techniques you can use to make your own beautiful melodies. There's such a huge difference between singing on the beat or off the beat with your melodies. When we're really certain about something, we sing on the beat.
I can't help falling in love with you.
The fact that melody line stays mostly on the beat makes it feel like the singer really means what they're saying. But the opposite to this is also true. If you're uncertain about something, sing on the offbeat.
I think we're alone now.
And because that melody is on the offbeat or syncopated, it really adds to the feeling of uncertainty or riskiness to the melody. So think about the emotion and meaning of your melodies and lyrics and see if they are something that's certain or uncertain. This trick is also very useful, changing from verses to choruses. To keep your melodies interesting as you progress through a song, if you're singing on the downbeat in the verse, maybe try then singing on the offbeat in the chorus. It just keeps the song fresh and keeps the listener interested and engaged. So of course, the other main component of a melody is the pitch, or the melody of that melody, if that makes any sense. So we have 7 different pitches that we can use in our melody, and those 7 pitches come from the key of the song. In the key of C, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So each of the 7 pitches in the key can give us a totally different emotion.
We're out of the woods.
So the B, or the 7th, sounds like you're out of the woods, but something worse is about to come. The 6th,
we're out of the woods.
Sounds sad. I miss the woods. The 5th,
we're out of the woods.
Saying it plainly, and it's a fact. The 4th,
we're out of the woods.
There's something unresolved there for sure.
We're out of the woods.
Also feels like there's more to the story, but it's not necessarily that bad. The 2nd or D,
we're out of the woods.
Also sounds unfinished, but not too sad. Let's sing it on the C, the tonic.
We're out of the woods.
Taylor Swift is certain she's out of the woods. What's really cool is that the pitch can stay the same, but the emotion can change, because more often than not, we're going to move to a new chord. So the 7th of C, which is a B,
we're out of the woods.
And then if you change the chord of G, becomes the 3rd.
We're out of the woods.
So singing the same pitch, but with different chords, gives us a total new emotion. So all you have to do is decide what emotion you want your melody to convey. And then you can change the pitch or rhythm to support that. And when your pitch and rhythm supports the emotion and meaning of the lyrics, the impact of your melody just goes to a whole new level. It would also be worth checking out the 7 different modes you can have in each key signature. In all of the examples so far, we've been looking at the Ionian scale, but there's 6 others you can look at, like Aeolian, which would flatten the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th note. So if you're in the key of C, it will become C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, which is a very different feel to C Ionian. If you'd like to know more about modes, let me know down below and I'll go into them in more detail. We could spend all day thinking about new techniques and tips we can use to write new melodies, but sometimes we can just use our ears. One of my favorite tactics is to play your chord progression on a loop and hum different melodies each time. If you record them all, you can go back over them and then pick out your favorite ones or your favorite bits in each melody. Sometimes it's best to forget all we've learned and just follow the feel and the vibe of the track. And if you want to add more feel and vibe to your chords, why not watch this video right here? It's got all my favorite tips that will have your chord sounding emotional and lush in no time. Trust me, it will definitely help.